Good morning, students. Students, as we know that we are going to chapter 4, Flamingo, and the title of the chapter is The Red Graph, and this chapter is written by Selma Lazaroff. Children, in the previous lectures, we have read that when the Iron Master recognized the real identity of the stranger, so he became angry, and on the other side, the stranger or the red sailor did not do any attempt to hide his identity, and he said that if he had recognized him, so he would at once put on his dirty and rags, means rough clothes, and he would go away from there. But when the Iron Master threatened him that if the sheriff came and he would say anything to him on this matter, so he would not speak anything on his behalf. So at this, the stranger also became angry and told the Iron Master that this whole world is nothing but a big red flag. So finally, the Iron Master said to him that as it was the Christmas season, so he would take his favor, but he asked the stranger to go away from there as soon as he could. Now children, see the third paragraph of page number 40. But just as the man was opening the door, the daughter said, "I think he ought to stay with us today. I don't want him to go." अब देखिए, जैसे ही उस स्ट्रेंजर ने अर्थात रेड सेलर ने जाने के लिए दरवाज़ा खोला, दरवाजे की ओर बढ़ा और दरवाज़ा खोला, तो द आयरन मास्टर्स डॉटर सेड टू हिम, आयरन मास्टर की जो बेटी थी एडला विल्मैसन, उसने कहा कि आई थिंक ही आउट टू स्टे विद अस टुडे, कि मैं सोचती हूँ कि आज उसे हमारे साथ ठहरना चाहिए. आई डोंट वांट हिम टू गो, मैं नहीं चाहती कि आज वो जाए. एंड विद दैट शी बेंट एंड क्लोज द डोर, और इसी के साथ वो गई और उसने दरवाज़ा बंद कर दिया. शी एट वंस बेंट टू द डोर एंड क्लोज इट. What in the world are you doing? Said the father. But the Iron Master said to her what she was going to do in this world. Iron Master ने कहा, अरे तुम क्या कर रही हो? The daughter stood there quite embarrassed. The daughter was standing there, but she was quite gloomy and disappointed, ashamed, and hardly knew what to answer, and she did not know what to answer to her father. That morning she had felt so happy when she thought how homelike and Christmassy she was going to make things for the poor hungry rats. देखिए, in the morning time when she was cooking food, she was thinking, she was very happy and thinking that she was going to make something, means delicious and tasty food for the poor hungry rats, for that poor fellow. सुबह के समय जब वो खाना बना रही थी, जैसा कि क्रिसमस का समय था, और खाना बनाते समय बड़ा खुश हो रही थी इस बात को सोचकर कि वो उस स्ट्रेंजर के लिए भोजन बना रही थी. She could not get away from the idea all at once. देखिए, अभी भी वो इस बात को सोच रही थी, एंड she could not get away from the idea, and that was why she had interceded for the vagabond, and that was the only reason she had interrupted, and she stopped him. She just wanted to stop him from going there. Vagabond stands for the wanderer, और यही एकमात्र कारण था. That was the only reason, और यही एकमात्र रीजन था. वो चाहती थी कि वो जो स्ट्रेंजर था वो क्रिसमस के समय उनके यहाँ रुके और भोजन करे. I am thinking of this stranger here, said the young girl. He walks and walks the whole year long, and there is probably not a single place in the whole country where he is welcome and can feel at home. फिर देखिए उसने आगे कहा कि that she was thinking about the stranger, as the stranger kept on walking and walking all the time. He kept on walking here and there in the countryside, and there was not a single home where he was welcome and could feel at home, comfortable. और इस बात को कहने लगी कि मैं इस स्ट्रेंजर के बारे में सोच रही हूँ. ये पूरे वर्ष चलता रहता है, और शायद इस कंट्री साइड में कहीं भी कोई ऐसा घर नहीं है जहाँ पर इसे वेलकम किया जाता हो, जहाँ पर ये कंफर्टेबल महसूस कर सके. Wherever he turns, he is chased away. और जहाँ कहीं भी जाता है इसे बता दिया जाता है. Always he is afraid of being arrested and cross-examined, and all the time he is afraid of being arrested and questioning and discussing all the time, cross-examined. और हमेशा ही इसे अरेस्ट होने का डर रहता है, और इसे डर रहता है कि कोई इसे तरह तरह के क्वेश्चंस पुट न करे. I should like to have him enjoy a day of peace with us here, just one in the whole year. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि पूरे वर्ष में कम से कम एक दिन ये आराम से रह सके. And Adela Williamson wanted that the stranger should stay only for one day with them, and so that he could celebrate the Christmas with them. The iron master mumbled something in his beard. He could not bring himself to oppose her. अब देखिए, at this the iron master whispered something in his beard. इस पर आयरन मास्टर थोड़ा गुदगुदाया, but he could not oppose his daughter, thinking that it was his own mistake. It was only a mistake, of course. Of course, really it was a mistake, she continued. But anyway, I don't think we have to chase away a human being whom we have asked to come here, and to whom we have promised Christmas cheer. अब देखिए कि but it was only a mistake, she said to her father. अब देखिए उसने अपने फादर से कहा कि एक ये मिस्टेक थी, लेकिन मैं नहीं चाहती कि हम एक ह्यूमन बीइंग को, एक मानव को अपने घर से भगा दें, अपने घर से जाने दें, जिसको हमने स्वयं अपने घर पर आने के लिए इनवाइट किया, एंड टू whom we have promised Christmas cheer, और जिसके लिए हम चाहते थे that he should celebrate Christmas with us. So you do preach worse than a parson, said the iron master. At this the iron master said to his daughter that she was preaching him in the form of a parson. Parson means a holy person, a saint. देखिए, इस पर आयरन मास्टर ने अपनी बेटी से कहा, अरे तुम तो मुझे एक संत से भी ज़्यादा बढ़कर उपदेश देती हो. आई ओनली होप यू डोंट हैव टू रिग्रेट दिस. बोले मुझे केवल आशा है कि तुम्हें इसके लिए पश्चाताप न करना पड़े. The young girl took the stranger by the hand and led him up to the table. अब देखिए इस पर एडला विल्मैनसन ने उसका हाथ पकड़ा, उसे टेबल पर ले गई where the food was there. At this, Adela Williamson took the stranger by the hand and took him to the table. Now sit down and eat. और बोली बैठ जाओ और भोजन करो. She said, for she could see that her father had given him. अब उसने देख लिया because she had realized that her father had given her the permission. The man with the red trap said not a word. अब देखिए the red trap seller did not say a single word. He only sat down and helped himself to the food. He only sat down by the side of the table and started eating. इस पर देखिए रेड ट्रैप सेलर ने भी एक शब्द नहीं बोला, बैठ गया और खाने लगा. Time after time he looked at the young girl who had interceded for him, but from time to time he was looking at the young girl. He was looking at Adela Williamson, who had stopped going from there. Why had she done it? What could be the crazy idea be? तो सोचने लगा कि उसने ऐसा क्यों किया और ये जो क्रेजी आइडिया था उसके दिमाग में क्यों आया. Although he was eating as he was hungry, but from time to time he was looking at Adela Williamson, that she had stopped him going from there. After that, Christmas Eve at Ramsjo passed just as it always had. The stranger did not cause any trouble because he did not do anything. He did nothing but sleep. The whole forenoon he lay on the sofa in one of the guest rooms and slept at one stretch. अब देखिए the Christmas Eve at Ramsjo was celebrated at as it used to celebrate every year, and the stranger did not cause any trouble to them. हर वर्ष की बजाय हर वर्ष की तरह इस वर्ष भी क्रिसमस ईव सेलिब्रेट किया गया और स्ट्रेंजर ने उन्हें कोई परेशानी नहीं पहुंचाई. The stranger did not cause any kind of trouble because he did nothing but sleep. क्योंकि उसने सोने के सिवाय कुछ नहीं किया. He did not cause any kind of trouble to the iron master and his daughter, but kept on sleeping. And all the time before noon, he kept on sleeping in one of the guest rooms and slept at one stretch. और देखिए दोपहर से पहले के जो पूरे समय था, फोरनून था, पूर्वाह्न का जो समय था, पूरे पूर्वाह्न के समय वो सोता रहा गेस्ट रूम में सोफा पर एट वन स्ट्रेच, एट वन साइड, एक ही करवट सोता रहा. At noon they woke him up so that he could have his share of the good Christmas fare. अब देखिए दोपहर के समय उन्होंने जगाया जिससे कि वो दोपहर का भोजन कर सके. But after that he slept again. लेकिन उसके बाद वो फिर सो गया. It seemed as though for many years he had not been able to sleep as quietly and safely as he had at Ramsjo. And it was appearing that for many years he had not taken such kind of sleep as quietly and safely as he was sleeping in the guest room in Iron Master's room. और ऐसा लग रहा था मानो बहुत वर्षों से वो इतने शांतिपूर्वक और सुरक्षित ढंग से ना सोया हो जितना कि वो आयरन मास्टर के घर में सो रहा था. So children, we can say that the Iron Master's daughter is a kind of generous person. She was full of compassion. She was kind, and that was the only reason she did not want the stranger to go away from there on the festive season of Christmas. Okay, students, so we shall go through the next lecture in the next video.